Hey, what's up? This is Mark at alchemist.camp, where usually we learn Elixir by building things, but today we're just going to learn a PowerShell trick. It's a useful one, though, if you're an Elixir programmer. You may have found, whatever programming language you use, that there's certain commands you're used to using that have a meaning in PowerShell. With Elixir, IEX should open a REPL, or an interactive shell, but IEX means something in PowerShell, so it gets overridden. There is an IEX.bat that's provided in the standard Elixir installation that will get you to the REPL, and so you can just do it that way, but that's kind of a pain. Who wants to type in an extra .bat every single time you open the REPL? And similarly, there are other cases where there is no alternative, like if you use the serverless framework for working with AWS or other cloud providers. Serverless is the primary command that does all the things, and there's a shortcut for it, SLS, which means something in PowerShell. So how do we deal with this? We edit our profile. $profile will show you where your profile configuration is. In my case, users, Shelma, documents, blah, 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 blah. We open that profile and edit it with code. We just type code $profile, like so. And then we add remove -item and alias :SLS. We'll get rid of that alias, and alias :IEX. Save it and get rid of this pop-up, and then go to a new session of PowerShell. And this, okay, we can't remove IEX because it's a constant or read-only. Add a -force to it. Open a new session. Type SLS. The alias for serverless worked, and IEX without the .bat opens a new session. So next time a PowerShell alias is annoying you, just do this and get rid of it. If you found this useful, and especially if you want to learn the Elixir programming language, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.